Hello friends, in this short video I'm going to show you how to replace the sunroof glass on a Volkswagen Passat CC. This job is extremely simple and quick, making it a perfect DIY project even for beginners, and it can save you from some surprisingly expensive and often unjustified repair costs. The owner found the glass shattered one morning while the car was parked in his own yard without really knowing what caused it. He was also quite convinced that this type of glass would withstand almost anything, even a rollover accident. To prevent the glass from breaking into even more small pieces, he applied regular transparent tape over it. The problem is that this type of tape is very difficult to remove afterwards and leaves a lot of adhesive residue on the car, so I would recommend using an alternative instead. Maybe masking tape would be a better choice if you ever end up in a similar situation. The impact point from some kind of object seems to be somewhere around this area where these trims are clearly damaged. But that's enough about how it happened. Let's move on to the replacement itself, which is actually very simple. The glass is basically mounted onto two metal arms which are secured with 4 screws on each side to metal supports attached to the body of the car. To access the screws, all you need to do is raise the sunroof and pull down this inner rubber seal. 2 screws are located toward the rear and 2 toward the front. The screws require a T25 Torx bit. The front screws are a bit harder to access because of the limited space, but they're still not very difficult to remove. If you don't have a magnetic bit, there's a chance the screws may fall behind the seal, but you can easily retrieve them with a magnet or simply access them later once the glass is removed. This is what the screws look like. Now we repeat exactly the same process on the opposite side. Pull down the seal and remove the other 4 screws. There's also an outer rubber seal on the exterior side which can be removed very easily by simply pulling it outward. Don't worry, it's not glued in place. At this point, with the help of another person, you can already remove the glass together with the 2 metal frames. This is how the mounting system looks. Quite a lot of glass fragments came loose, so we'll use a vacuum cleaner to remove all the broken glass and dirt. Now it's time to install the replacement glass. This one was bought from a salvage yard and cost only around 100 euros. A brand new one is probably close to 10 times more expensive. Because this replacement glass came from the salvage yard completely with the mounting brackets and screws already installed, we first need to remove the brackets that are already on the car. Normally, those brackets cannot really be removed unless the headliner is also removed, so the donor car most likely already had the interior partially disassembled. The screws have alignment marks for adjustment, but as you'll see later, the glass almost positions itself correctly with only very small adjustments needed in the end. We've now removed the second bracket as well, and this time we can finally install the glass. The supports have a channel where the metal frames slide in very easily. Make sure the front side goes underneath the seal, and then you can start reinstalling the screws. I won't show the installation of every single screw since the process is exactly the reverse of removal. Also, don't fully tighten them yet in case you need to make small alignment adjustments. If one corner of the glass doesn't sit perfectly flush, ask someone to gently press on the glass while you do the final tightening. It's also a good idea to take a few photos of the original glass alignment beforehand so you have a reference point later. Now we can reinstall both the outer and inner seals and the job is complete. Of course, we also did a few final checks, everything lines up properly, the entire repair took less than an hour and we probably saved around 100 euros in labor costs alone. If any of you have done a similar repair or received a quote from a workshop for this type of job, feel free to leave the price in the comment section below. That's it for this episode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, even a negative one if there's something you didn't like, and of course subscribe to support the channel and help me continue creating new content. All the best!